Hello, welcome back. Remember, we talked about vowel sounds and we are still dwelling on the topic. We looked at 4 vowel sounds: the long vowel R, the short vowel R, the long vowel the short vowel and before that I defined vowel sounds as sounds that are produced without any blockage of air from the lungs to the oral cavity. The lungs are here. Your lungs are protected by your rib cages, and the oral cavity is everything that has to do with the mouth. The lower lip, the upper lip, the velum, the alveolar ridge, the teeth, the roof of the mouth, and so on and so forth. In our last class, we treated 4 of the English vowel sounds, and today we'll be looking at 4 extra vowel sounds. Let's look at the vowel sound E, the long vowel E. Diagrams that can give you this particular sound are double E, EA, IE, EI. I take that again. EE, EA, EI, IE. These are diagrams that can give you this sound. Let's see examples. See, also see, seen, receive, perceive, and so on and so forth. We also have a short vowel E, and examples we have pit, ink, link, fit. So you see how simple it is. The next vowel sound we're looking at is vowel sound or, the long vowel sound or, and that is the phonetic symbol. The long vowel sound or. Diagrams that can give you the long vowel sound or are OR, OUR, AU, AW, and so on. For instance, we have north, NORTH, north. We have court or court. We also have law, AW, can give you or law. And then we have AUGH as in court, OUGH as in thought, and so on and so forth. Now let's look at the short vowel sound or. Examples we have pot, not, and OT. We have dot, we have God. It is God. We have pot, dog, and so on and so forth. Before I give an assignment, I'd like you to support this classroom by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Please do so. Now this is your assignment. You can do your assignment and submit to this email address. Be sure that I will mark and send back to you. Do you want the complete series of our consonant sound classes? Here is a video of the 24 consonant sounds. You can tap on this and learn about the 24 consonant sounds. See you in the next class. Bye bye.